Right then guys, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got a bit of a different one for you. We're heading down to go see the team at ECA Cleaning. So I don't know if you saw on the channel recently, but we have recently just upgraded our pressure washer to the Kranzel K10, and that was supplied to us from the team at ECA, and they actually took our old one back to be refurbished. So what we're going to do today is we're going to head down to their unit, go check things out, see what their setup is like, and then we're going to show you the process of refurbing one of the Kranzel machines. The time is now 5:30, so yeah, bit of an early start for me and Toby, but let's get on the road. Hopefully we're going to pit stop to get some breakfast, and then we'll head down to ECA Cleaning. So Toby just pulled up outside now, so we're going to quickly head to the gym, and then when we're back we're going to head straight down to ECA Cleaning. Right then, before we get too far into the video, since it is Christmas, we are going to be giving back to you guys. So stay tuned to the video to find out what you could be in with a chance of winning. Right then guys, so we've made it all the way down to Cirencester at ECA Cleaning, and yeah, so as you can see behind me, this is their workshop, sort of showroom. So yeah, let's take a look inside, show you around the showroom, and then we can get on to refurbishing our old Kranzel pressure washer.
Lasted well. It came loose in the back of the van, and then opened the van up. You'll be impressed with this. I know how much you like blowing engines up, so.
He certainly blew it up. But there's the shim on the
Can we have Toby holding that, looking sad?
he should be looking sad at this, shouldn't he? that spring, I don't think you.
Well, we're going to save a £5.
But you don't. The trouble is you don't know how strong they are, and they were rusted a little bit and things, you know. That includes new oil seals already in it, all in there. So if somebody's getting like white oil, which obviously is a sign of mixing with water, it's going to be these oil seals here. They're pretty difficult to get out, so you've got to be really careful because obviously this is aluminium; it can scratch really easily. And the loader. Pistons, you know, they're a little bit worn, a little bit scuffed. If it was a daily driver machine that he was relying on, you know, you might warrant new pistons, but not for a backup machine.
Yeah.
So, new supporting discs, new spring in the TS system, and new oil sight glass. It's only a couple of pounds, and it means you've got no excuse to check your oil. Basically, and so people will change their oil a week later. Oil's gone again. Oh, my oil's gone again. It's because all it's doing is mixing with all the bad stuff up here. So, you know, when we do a service, just a standard service, everything comes apart like this. Is all included because a service to us is a real inspection of the machine.
Right then, so a massive thank you to everyone who's got this far into the video. It's the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to be giving one of you the chance to get your car in at the studio for our Day in the Bay package. So what this includes is a full chemical decontamination of your car outside the studio. Once that's been done, we'll then pull it inside and give it a full single stage paint correction just to remove any of the minor imperfections and boost those gloss levels. Once that's been done, we'll then apply a temporary ceramic sealant just to get you through those winter months. Whether you want it for your car or a loved one, it could be a brilliant Christmas present. So the draw is going to be announced on the 24th of December. So like I say, if you do want to be entered, head over to the Instagram, like our latest post on the BMW iX, tag 3 friends in the comments of that post, and you will be entered. So that's the trip down to ECA Cleaning HQ now done. As you've just seen, they've got a pretty cool setup in there with lots of different equipment. So if you do need any of Karcher or Kranzel equipment, make sure to check them guys out. We've just had our Kranzel K7 refurbished, so now that's going to be used as our backup one, as we've recently just upgraded to the Kranzel K10. So next up, we're continuing the trip down the south coast down towards another supplier, but we're not going to be spoiling that in this video, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled to the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one.